Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the top 5 new RC releases, December 2025, crawlers, cars, planes, and more. After extensive research across multiple websites, I've compiled a list of options that will suit the needs of all types of buyers. Whether you're an enthusiast focused on price, performance, or specific use, I'm here to help. For more details about the products, I've included links in the description below. Keep in mind that this is not a review video, but a product showcase. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The WLToys 284191/284019-A is a high-performance 1/28 scale RC car designed for speed, precision, and realistic drifting in a compact size. Equipped with a 4-wheel drive system, it delivers excellent stability and control, even during sharp turns and fast maneuvers. One of its main highlights is the upgraded gyro, which improves traction and keeps the car stable during rapid acceleration and controlled drifts. With 2.4 GHz radio technology, the response is quick, smooth, and free from signal interference. Its powerful motor allows impressive high speed, making it perfect for both racing tracks and indoor drift setups. The car also features independent suspension, a durable chassis, and drift-style tires that enhance performance and longevity. The set comes ready to run, RTR, including a rechargeable battery and LED lights that add realism and style. Compact, fast, and highly entertaining, it is an excellent gift option for RC enthusiasts and speed lovers. Number 4. The REDCAT ASCENT 32 is a 1/32nd scale brushed electric rock crawler, designed to bring the fun of RC crawling to any small space. Based on the popular ASCENT 18, this compact RTR model delivers an accessible and enjoyable crawling experience right out of the box. It's perfect for beginners, families, and hobbyists who want a simple, affordable way to explore the world of micro-crawlers. Built with new drivers in mind, the ASCENT 32 offers a friendly, low-barrier introduction to RC crawling. It carries the ASCENT name not for high-end performance, but for its focus on learning, growth, and adventure. With full support for Endura upgrades at launch, it also gives users a solid platform to improve and customize their crawler as they gain experience. The ASCENT 32 includes real crawler features, despite its small size. Straight axles, 4-link suspension, full ball bearings, aggressive off-road tires, and a convenient clipless tilt-up body. It comes equipped with a 300 mAh LiPo battery, USB charger, and a 2.4 GHz radio system, making it ready to run within minutes. This micro-crawler is small enough to be enjoyed anywhere, from living rooms to desktop obstacle courses, yet capable enough to surprise even seasoned enthusiasts. REDCAT also offers complete replacement parts and a clear body option for custom paintwork, making it easy to repair, upgrade, and personalize. Compact, capable, and fun for all ages, the REDCAT ASCENT 32 transforms any environment into a crawling adventure, whether kept stock or upgraded with Endura performance parts. Number 3. The RLAARLO XTS-S10 is a 1/10 scale RTR 4-wheel drive rally car built on a lightweight and durable carbon fiber chassis, delivering stability and high performance right out of the box. It is powered by a 3,652 to 3,300 kV censored brushless motor, paired with an ATA censored ESC, offering strong acceleration, smooth throttle control, and fast response for true rally-style driving. Its rally-inspired suspension system features custom metal shock towers, hydraulic dampers, and an extra thick anti-roll bar, providing excellent handling on mixed terrain. Soft compound rally tires and detailed rally wheels ensure great grip and give the car an aggressive, race-ready look. To enhance durability, the XTS-S10 includes debris-protected shocks, chassis mudguards, a foam front bumper, metal support pillars, and a 3S-capable powertrain that holds up well under demanding driving conditions. The body comes with a glossy painted finish and features a realistic interior with a dummy driver figure, adding scale realism and a true rally feel. With a 190mm width and a 257mm wheelbase, the XTS S10 is compatible with a wide range of popular aftermarket bodies and components, making customization simple. Combining power, control, and realism, the RLAARLO XTS S10 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a fast, durable, and versatile RC rally car ready to run straight out of the box. Number 2. The FMS 1-10 Canyon RS is a highly capable, scale-realistic off-road crawler that combines advanced engineering with impressive detailing. Built on a new low center of gravity chassis, it delivers excellent stability and performance across rugged terrain. The model includes a servo shock absorption protection system, remote-controlled locking front and rear differentials, and a 2-speed transmission, giving drivers full control over torque, speed, and traction. A standout feature is the innovative DIG system, which locks a single rear wheel for ultra-tight turns. The Canyon RS also includes patented quick-release body technology, allowing the shell to attach magnetically while automatically connecting the LED lighting system. This makes setup fast and hassle-free. For performance, the crawler uses front and rear portal axles for maximum ground clearance, high-traction crawler tires, oil-filled metal shocks, full metal gears, and counter-rotating drive shafts for smooth, balanced power delivery. All bearings are included, and the electronics use an independent ESC for reliable control. The body is inspired by futuristic police supercars and features a realistic interior, detailed driver figure, and a full LED lighting system with functional headlights, taillights, and turn signals. 2 decal sets are included for customization. In the box, the Canyon RS comes RTR with a 2.4 GHz transmitter, installed receiver, 550/32T motor, and manual. To complete the setup, users need a 2S or 3S battery with XT60 connector, charger, and 4 AA batteries for the transmitter. Number 1. The FMS 124 FCX24M Toyota Tacoma is an officially licensed microcrawler that brings Toyota's iconic truck design to a compact, highly capable RC platform. Its ABS hard body captures the real Tacoma with impressive scale accuracy, including molded grille, mirrors, door handles, and bumpers. Available in gray, red, or blue, it delivers a true-to-life appearance straight out of the box. Built on the all-new FCX24M chassis, this model features a reinforced metal ladder frame, an extended 153mm wheelbase, and solid axles for improved durability and stability. Counter-rotating drive shafts reduce torque twist, providing smoother, more realistic crawling performance. Large diameter off-road tires increase ground clearance and traction, making it suitable for indoor micro-courses or outdoor backyard trails. Performance comes from a high-torque 050 brushed motor paired with a 2-speed transmission. You can crawl slowly with precision or shift into high gear for faster trail running. The included 2S 380 mAh LiPo battery offers up to 30 minutes of runtime, giving plenty of time for exploration and fun. The factory-installed roof rack adds functional style, while the RTR package includes everything pre-installed: transmitter, receiver, motor, electronics, and detailed body. You only need 4 AAA batteries for the transmitter to start driving. Combining realistic scale detail with capable off-road performance, the FMS 124th Tacoma is a compact, go-anywhere crawler that captures the rugged spirit of Toyota's legendary pickup. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.